What's going on, guys? Just going to be unboxing my new iPhone 15 Pro. I did order both the Pro and the Pro Max, but the Pro Max is on back order at the moment. So here we go. Initial impressions, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty solid. Love the titanium feel. Maybe we should do a brake test on this. Nah, just kidding. USB-C cable, which is good, so much faster charging and universal. Also got a case for it just to protect it. As always with all my phones, I do this. The phone feels really nice in the hand, nice and light, comfortable, easy to use. Love the screen. It's such an upgrade over the old iPhone 12 Pro that I've been using for all this time. Obviously, being a car guy, I love titanium and anything titanium related, especially with cars, but having your phone built with titanium is pretty cool too. I feel like it's pretty well made. Feels solid, and again, it looks like a decent upgrade over the 12 Pro that I've been rocking all this time. But anyway, let's get the case on so that we don't break it accidentally. Apparently it's fragile, especially if you try and bend it or try and break it yourself, which I won't be doing. Now that I've got some of the initial setup done, I'll just quickly run through the rest of it and just check out the camera. Okay, let's have a look at the camera and see how it looks, or how good it looks. You probably can't tell through the GoPro that I'm using to record this, but the camera is a big difference compared to the iPhone 12 Pro that I've been rocking. It looks sharper. There's much more features as well, which is handy. And yeah, seems pretty good. Let's quickly test it out and do some zooming in and see how it actually looks. So this, I think, is the cinematic mode. It's meant to give really shallow depth of field for that bokeh sort of look, and might come in handy if I use it for my own car, or if I go to some shows or some show and shines or whatever it may be. It'll be automotive related anyway. I took a quick video, so just gonna have a look at it now, do a little bit of pixel peeping and check it out on the phone and see how it looks. I'll just take a quick photo now and do a little bit of pixel peeping on that, see how that looks. That's my Game of Thrones books. May as well try all the different zoom settings, and here we go. Sharpness seems to be pretty good when you zoom right in. Looks really good. Yeah, really good compared to the iPhone 12 Pro. Quite good. And that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Once I get the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'll do an unboxing and a bit of a comparison of the two phones together in terms of size and weight, and maybe even take a couple of photos and videos and see if there's any difference. From all accounts, I don't think there is any difference in terms of photo and video quality, but I think the Pro Max might have one or two features that are a little bit different to the 15 Pro. Overall, really impressed. Pretty good upgrade, especially if you're coming from an older iPhone such as the 12 or 11. May not be a huge upgrade if you're coming from like a 14 or anything like that. But for me, I've held on for a couple of years because I knew that USB-C was coming, and obviously universal charging was handy. Thanks, guys.